You're watching the Winkbeds EcoCloud Mattress unboxing. In this video, we're going to unbox this mattress and see how it uncompresses from this box to its full original shape. Hi, I'm Nestle. I'm a mattress reviewer at girlonthemattress.com. In this video, we're going to unbox this mattress. And in the second video, after I sleep on it, we're gonna talk everything about the mattress, the detailed review. You can also find the detailed review at the link below at the description, or I'm gonna put it also here. Winkbeds is a company that makes online-only mattresses, really sturdy, high quality. They had one mattress for years, they sold it, and it's proved itself. People loved it. Very durable, sturdy, comfortable mattress. And now they added two new mattresses to their family. One is being a memory foam mattress, and the other one is the latex hybrid design, which EcoCloud. So EcoCloud is 13 inches and 120 pounds. So I would say it's pretty heavy. Definitely get some help if you're carrying yourself. It has natural and organic products, materials, so it makes it a very healthy mattress, and it's also baby safe certified mattress. Really excited to try this mattress, so keep on tuned for the full detailed review, and let's go have some fun now.